Hey guys, T here. A couple of weeks ago, I made this bench hold down, and I put two holes in the bench so that I could move it from one to the other, and it works great. But what I found is I can do something else with this as well. So let's say that you're not using the hold down. So you got a couple of holes in the bench. Now if we drilled another hole up here in our vise, we could put a short dowel here and a short dowel here and make a bench dog. So we could have one here and here. Obviously this is too loose and we'll make one that fits, but I would like to have a bench dog for the price of a hold down. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get cutting. So we've cut this piece of hard maple into an octagonal shape, and we're going to plane off the edges. I always like to make a mark around here to be sure that I've planed it all, or at least to show me what I've planed and what I haven't. Well, that works pretty good. I'm delighted to get 2 tools out of one amount of work. So I got some bench dogs out of what we did a week or so ago on hold downs. I like doing that. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you real soon.